We're going to talk about probability. The word probability means the chances, the odds of something, an event happening. So, before we begin that, you have 0% of something not happening, 100% of something happening. If there's an even chance, how would you describe that word? An even chance. I think it's 50%. Impossible. It would never happen. That's 0%. Unlikely. Probably won't happen. So would that be even? Would it be more than that? I think it's a little down here, somewhere here. Certain. It would definitely happen. It's 100% going to happen. And what about likely? It might happen. It's probably going to happen. So it probably put you up there in the upper percentages. So let's read each one. Card 1. I will ride the bus home from school today. That's impossible. I do not ride bus. I have my own car. So that's 0% for me. Impossible. 0% if that ever happening. The bag contains 3 black tiles and 2 white tiles. What is the chance of pulling a black tile? Well, there are more black tiles than white tiles, so I think it's likely. A card is pulled from a regular deck of playing cards, and a card is red. Aren't half the cards of a playing deck are red? So that's even chance. A pig will fly today. It's probably impossible, unless you put him on a plane. I don't know. A number cube with sides labeled 1 through 6 is rolled and lands on 6. So, if you roll a dice and you land on 6, is that going to be an even chance? No. There's only like 1 6 on a dice. That's pretty much unlikely. It's going to be very hard to get a 6 every chance. I will sleep tonight. Definitely certain. I will complete my homework. Definitely certain because I just did all these lessons. I created these slides just today. It will rain today. I would say unlikely. It actually did rain early. Actually, no. It is certain. It actually rained last night at 3 o'clock in the morning. So it was certain. The sun will set. Definitely certain. That will definitely happen. A coin is flipped and lands on head. I think that's an even chance of 50% because there are only 2 types. There's a head. It's either heads or tail. 50% chance. So today we're going to talk all about probability of chances of something happening. Each one of you will be given a bag, a Ziploc bag of different types of rainbow cubes. So pick 10 rainbow cubes at random from the Ziploc bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the probability of selecting a red, orange from what you pull. Red, orange. Red, orange. I have 1 out of 10. What percent is that? Again, how do you build 10? What's the percent again? Per 100. How do you build 10 to 100? You multiply by 10. So it's 10% or 0 and 10 hundredths. Find the probability of selecting red, orange, and purple from what you pull. Well, tons of it. I have 7 red, orange out of 10. So, again, a percent means per 100. I build it up to 100 times 10, 70% or 0 and 70 hundredths. And not red, orange, and purple. So not red, orange, and purple. We'll have 7 red. These colors are not red, orange, or purple. So that's 3 out of 10. Or 30% if you build it up to 100 times 10 or 0.3. If you had to graph this on a number line, for example, let's do the first one. If I had to graph this on a number line, this is half. Half means even chance. This is 0. That means impossible. This is 1, which is 100%, which is definitely certain. So according to this, my chances of getting a red, orange from these 10 is 10%. So it'll be right here. That means it's probably unlikely I will get a red, orange from these 10. However, if I get red, orange, and purple, it's 70% chance, which will be right here. I will consider that likely. I likely will probably pick out a red, orange, and purple from this. How many are not red, orange, and purple? That goes right here, and that's 30%. 30% are not red, orange. And that is not likely that I'm going to get a yellow piece from it. So what we're going to do during the whole class is pull out different bags from this. So example, you pick out 25, tell me the probability, and you pick up 50, tell me the probability, and so on. So probability means chances or the odds of an event happening.